Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, October 3rd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures higher by 2.5 points to 25.28.5 per contract. All in all, futures were up again yesterday by the closing bell, and they are up again this morning. So we'll see where this market goes. It's like a runaway train, just goes up, 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 and up. But in the meantime, we have stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to try to make some money. So again, the first stock we're going to look at today is going to be Tesla. TSLA is the ticker symbol there. Looks like they came out with some news where they only produced 260 Model 3 cars. So again, Tesla down on that news right now. Stock is trading at $334.20. It closed at $341.53. When I look at this stock right off the bat, I have to think you want to watch the 325 level. That's the next level that I'm seeing for Tesla that is showing decent support. So keep that on the radar. 325, maybe it's a little pierce. That's the only level I'm seeing, but that is a worthy level. So keep it on the radar for today. If the stock does sell off down to that area, Tesla could get a nice bounce at 325. Let's take a look at Lennar Corp. Looks like they had earnings. Stock right now is trading at $54.40, closed at $52.82. So Lennar getting a nice little bump here after the earnings announcement. There's a lot of resistance in this area though, so just take that into account. If you take a look at a daily chart, what you're going to notice is right around the 54 all the way up to $55 and let's call it 75 cents. There's a lot of resistance in play. So good move for Lennar after earnings, but again, we'll see if it lasts, and we'll see how that resistance level comes in. I wouldn't do much with this stock here. Wait for the opening bell to ring. Let's see what kind of pattern we get. But it will be on our radar, and we will play it at some point today with the right pattern. With that being said, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in here. And again, you trade right alongside of us. It's a great program. We've had a great 2017. Let's move over now to General Motors, ticker symbol GM. What you're going to see here is the stock right now in the pre-market is trading right around $42.75. Looks like they were upgraded. Now, in my opinion, GM is in an uptrend, but the problem here is it's overbought. It's extremely overbought. So if you own General Motors, you want to start to trail your stop loss up. And if you don't own it, you leave it alone here. You do not want to be jumping into this stock at this level. Let's take a look at TTS. And you're going to see this is the tile shop. And this stock is getting absolutely bludgeoned today. It closed at $13.20. It's now trading at $8.75. To be honest, I just don't even have a level where I would get into it now. I'd be very, very careful here. We'll see if we can find something once the opening bell rings, but there's no level worthy ahead of the opening bell. So again, be very, very careful with this name today, but it is getting absolutely scorched ahead of the opening bell. Again, this stock now is trading below the psychological $10 level. Anytime a stock does that, you always got to be very, very careful. Here we're going to take a look at Wayfair, ticker symbol W. Stock is trading at $70.50, closed at $68.46. So good little pop there for Wayfair. Again, this might have a little bit more upside to it, but we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I believe this is on the back of some positive comments, maybe even an upgrade, but that's about it. Let's take a look at PSX. This also got upgraded. This is Phillips 66, the refinery. This is trading at $93.20, so good little move there. Stock is showing pretty good strength at the moment. Let's take a look at Paychex, P-A-Y-X. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Stock is getting a nice pop here. Closed at $59.81. It is now trading at $61.39. So great pop there. The only problem I see for Paychex, though, is now you are into very good resistance. If you take a look, let's go to a weekly. We'll see it a little bit better. Weekly chart, you know you're coming up into big resistance levels from $62 to $63. And again, that should come into play shortly. Right now, the stock is trading at $61.30. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone here at this stage of the game. All right, let's switch gears here. Let's get over to the gold market. Gold is trading lower by $2.80. Make it $3 now. Right now, gold is sitting at $1,272.80 a barrel. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that is trading at 120.69, hovering right around my black line. So there is short-term support here, but it is just that, just short-term support, nothing more at this stage of the game. Let's get over to the oil market. Crude oil trading lower by 32 cents to $50.27 a barrel. That's a November contract. Let's move over to the USO here, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that's trading down at around $10.15. So we do have gold a little bit lower, oil a little bit lower. Markets are a little bit higher, and that's where we stand. We'll see what this market gives us today. We'll see if there are any other opportunities. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. As I said before, we're having a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.